Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Explorer Platinum. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the luxury leather package. Taking a look back here, we do get this tow hitch. We got rear park sensing, that nice platinum logo. We do get the blacked out Ford Explorer logo as well. Backup camera, nice little roof spoiler. You got your rear lights along your liftgate as well. Roof rails. Got the nice platinum accents along the doors. We do have blind spot detection, turn light indicated, and you do get a side view camera as well. We do get a nice new front end to the vehicle, which adds a nice sleeker look with front park sensing. We got a front view camera, as well as that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, English, which provides you with tons of storage space, even with your third row up. Got little storage cubbies on each side, little hooks and doodads. You can lift this up for additional storage underneath, and you can collapse your last row from there, which is pretty nice. Once again, little hooks, little storage cubbies, cup holders, and storage for the back. There it is, popping back up for you. We do have USB-Cs and more storage, and we're just gonna pop open the left one there, and there you go. And to close, all you have to do, hit this button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice crystal gray leather interior. You got some nice quilted leathering on the doors and top of the seats. Plenty of door space in the back. Plenty of leg room as well. Got your own climate back here, heated middle seats, USB-Cs, 110 volt with cup holders, nice Explorer logo. To get to the back, all you have to do, hit that button there, and it will go up forward, and you do get quite a bit of leg space as well. And the same leathering we saw on the middle seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get powered seats as well as massaging. Same leathering we saw in the back there, we do get these platinum logos on the seats. Plenty of door space, B&O sound system, power door mirrors, and memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You got your liftgate and lights on your left-hand side, and we do get this nice new speaker that wraps across the dash. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here the odometer is sitting at 6.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone, voice and media, volume and mute, and cruise control. And we do get that BlueCruise right there as well. We have My View, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, and your digital speedometer. We do get the same leather that we saw on the seats. That does wrap around the dash as well. We got this new little storage space here that does have a wireless charging and storage here. To my right here, we have our parking brake and gear select. You have your drive modes, more storage, cup holders, and for your drive modes, you do get... I can't remember. Oh, here. We do have our normal Eco Sport, tow and haul, slippery, and off-road. Continue here, we have that nice leather on the glove compartment with tons of storage with 2 USB-Cs. You have your auto stop, auto start, park assist, hazards, your 360 view of the vehicle, traction, and auto hold, which is pretty nice. Volume, your engine starts right here, and a nice big infotainment system that is powered by Google. And above me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which does provide excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. Here we do have our infotainment system, also powered by Google, like I said before. Got your navigation. You can have personal profiles, what phone's connected, music. You do have notifications. It's just telling me to collect my Google account, but not my vehicle. Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you have all your climate controls. You have heated and cooled seats and automatic seats. Oh, it's too cold for that. You have your vehicle settings, such as your ambient lighting, which you can turn to these fun colors. I'm going to turn it to green. And you have your seats, which are your massaging seats, which is pretty nice for your long car rides. Valet mode settings, all that fun stuff. You can move your vehicle around and open your lift gate from here. And all your apps will be found here with all your Google App Store, Play Assist, all that, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. You got text messages, hotspot, and YouTube if you're waiting for someone. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB19707, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.